Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
What up, my people? Dream Rod's here for another one. Why fasting is a great tool to tap into the spirit.
Gay!
Fasting is abstaining from food for a significant amount of time. The longest fast I've done was 40 days, but I'm constantly doing fasts throughout the year. 3 days, 15 days. I'm constantly challenging myself to tap into spirit. Fasting is a tool for your emotions.
Message!
Majority of the time, we're emotional eating. The emotions that you're suppressing through food, smoking, alcohol, and so on and so forth are constantly getting pushed into the background. When you do these fasts, they suddenly come to the surface and you have to deal with them accordingly. Meditation on particular chakras during a fast are always a good idea. This helps you balance out the chakra and deal with the emotions that's getting in your way of your light. Khadijah's Chakra Child's workbook is great. She gives you mantras, rituals, and visualization techniques to balance each chakra. In her book, it also talks about fasting for each chakra. And these ain't no one-day fasts either. She goes in on how long you should fast for each chakra. See, the humans are fasting for health and weight loss goals. Fuck that shit. I'm fasting so I can tap into different spiritual alignments and concepts within myself. Ridding myself of these human emotions helped me receive channels and spiritual messages from my inner self, my higher self. God. My ego's not in the way. Once you start, you'll start to gain understanding on the light I'm talking about. Start off with a 1-day fast, then 3, 5, and before you know it, you'll be up to 40 days. It kind of gets addicting and enjoyable because you're feeling your true power. Rid yourself of these human emotions and feel your chaos being rise. Dream wise.
This is a Homage beat.